Here, this is also same as the previous one. See, in the given figure, if L is parallel to M, so if L is parallel to M, then the value of X, so here they given that X value, okay, just like that previous one only. Again apply the same condition here. Here again we can observe that, F shape, yes or no, horizontal F. So easily we can say that these two are corresponding angles. F shape is there, no? So those two are corresponding angles. So here angle they given that one as 72 degrees. Obviously the second angle is also equals to 72 degrees. Why? Because already that condition only they given in that question, right? What is that condition? Given lines are parallel. If the given lines are parallel, directly we can say that corresponding angles are equal. Okay? That's why here this is 72 and here also this is equals to 72 degrees. Clear? Next. Just observe that here no angle given, so just I am taking this one as y. Okay, when you observe these two angles, just like the previous one only, here these two forms here linear pair, right? So 72 degrees plus y is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one, y is equals to 180 degrees minus 72, so which is equals to 108 degrees. Clear? So here y is equals to, they given that one as 108 degrees. Okay. So in the triangle, just now only we discussed that sum of all angles is equals to 180 degrees now. So what is this angle here? This is 18 degrees. 18 degrees and another angle we know that 108 degrees. So by using that condition, here x plus y plus 18 degrees is equals to 180. Why? Because this is a triangle. Sum of all interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. That condition I am applying here. So x plus y is equals to, we got that one as 108 degrees plus 18 degrees is equals to 180. So x plus 108 plus 18 is equals to 126, which is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one, x is equals to 180 degrees minus 126 degrees. So what is that answer here? That is nothing but 54 degrees. Okay. So x is equals to here 54 degrees. Okay. That angle only we need to find out, no? So by again here I applied that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle. That condition. First I taken that corresponding angles condition. Next I taken that one as a small triangle is formed here. So I applied that sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. By using that condition, here we can find that remaining two angles. So which one required now? They are asking that what is the value of x. So x is equals to 54 degrees. So option 3 is correct. Okay. So which option is correct here? Option 3. Okay. Let us see that next one. So observe here. In the given figure, AOC, which means angle AOC is equals to 50 degrees, and then angle AOD plus angle COB is equals to, okay, they are asking that angle AOC, which means this angle they given, that is equals to 50 degrees. Okay, now they are asking that angle AOD, so here's one angle, and COB, here another angle. So they are asking that x plus y value they are asking. Okay, just I taken for easiest concept. See here x plus y is equals to what is that angle they are asking. So before going to find that x plus y, first we need to find that what is x and what is y, right? So see that here this is 50 degrees. So we can say that this angle is also 50 degrees. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles, because given lines are intersecting lines. When the lines are intersecting, then the angles which are formed opposite to each other, then we will call those two angles are vertically opposite angles. And we know that condition, vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, already we know that theorem proof in that theory part, right? So by using that condition, here also angle is equals to 50 degrees. Once observe that, so here this is x and this is y. Here we got that angle is equals to 50. Once you observe that, here this is that a straight line. So on a straight line, here when you observe that x and here another angle, these two angles forms a linear pair or not? Those two forms linear pair only now on a straight line. So what is that angle? Sum of those two angles must be equals to 180. So we know that here x plus 50 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because those two forms linear pair. Okay, so from this one, x is equals to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. So x is equals to 130 degrees. Okay, so we got that here x is equals to 130 degrees. No need to apply the same condition again. Directly we can find that another angle. What is that? Here when you observe that here point of intersection is there, no? These two angles are opposite and vertically opposite angles. So obviously another pair also vertically opposite angles only, no? Why? Because at the point of intersection here totally two pairs of opposite angles will be formed. Okay, so this is one of the pair. So another pair y is also equals to 130 degrees. Is it clear? Why? Because x is equals to y. What is the condition? Means vertically opposite angles. So by using this condition, we can say that x is equals to y. But they are asking what is the value of x plus y. So x is equals to 130 degrees plus y is also equals to 130. So totally 260 degrees. So what is the total angle here? That is 260 degrees. So here answer is 260 degrees. Okay. So let us see that next problem. In the given figure, L is parallel to M, then the measure of X. Again they are saying that L is parallel to M. These two lines are parallel, they are saying. Okay. So by using that condition, here angle we need to find out. Here X we need to find out. Okay. Just observe that question. Just like that previous two questions we discussed, right? So like that only this one also. Just observe that. Here again if you observe the figure, here we can observe that F shape. Okay, shape of F. So here angle given that is 70 degrees. So here these two are corresponding angles only, no? So here this is 70 degrees. So obviously this is also equals to 70 degrees. And when you observe this line here, this is a straight line, right? On that straight line here, these two are adjacent angles. So adjacent angles forms a linear pair on a straight line. Okay, so here this is 70 degrees and we know that linear pair means 180 only, no? So 180 minus 70 is equals to 110 degrees. So here angle is equals to 110. Okay. When you observe that figure, here again we can observe that one of the small triangle. Okay. We can observe that a small triangle, again sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees only, no? So apply that condition. Here what is that? 110 degrees plus 30 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because this is a triangle. Okay. So here 110 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to 140 degrees plus x is equals to 180 degrees. So from this one, x is equals to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So x is equals to 40. Okay, that angle only they are asking now. So what is the value of x? So x is equals to 40 degrees. So here angle is equals to 40 degrees. So which option is correct? Option 3. Okay, is it clear? Yes. So let us see that next problem. Which of the following is true? Okay, here options. So we have to go through that options. Why? Because which of the following is true? By observing that diagram they are asking. Okay, so what is that first one? CD is parallel to EF. Second one, AB is parallel to EF and CD is parallel to AB. Okay, so which conditions are possible here? And the final one is all of the above. So which condition is correct? First we can observe that. Okay, so let us see that the problem from the diagram. So what is that here? First observe these two lines. Okay, which lines are drawn? First observe those two. Here these two lines are parallel or not? In that question, parallel condition they given means then only given lines are parallel. If that condition is not given, then we have to observe that given values. Okay, directly here by seeing that those two lines are looking like that parallel, so we will go for that parallel. Don't go like that. Okay, here first we have to observe that given lines are parallel, that condition is given in that question, then we can go from that, we can follow that conditions. But here in that question they didn't give that the given lines are parallel, just they given that values. So we have to go through that values. By using that values only, we have to tell that, we have to say that, we have to prove that given lines are parallel. Okay, and which lines are parallel. Okay, just say that. So here if you are saying these two are parallel, so what is that condition? I am going to take this diagram. Here these two angles given, no? This is 130 degrees and this is 50 degrees. So when you observe those two angles, those two also form inside in between those two given lines and same side of a transversal. So this one we can assume this is a transversal, no? So sum of these two angles which is equals to 180 degrees only, no? 130 plus 50, that is 180 degrees. So these two angles are co-interior angles. If the given lines are parallel or not parallel, whatever it may be, the angles which is formed same side of a transversal and those two angles are must be interior, then we will call those two angles are co-interior angles. Already in theory part we discussed that if the given lines are parallel, then co-interior angles, its sum is equals to 180 degrees. Or it's a converse. What is that converse? The sum of co-interior angles forms a supplementary, then the given lines are parallel. Okay, now we have to go for that condition. So sum of these two angles is equals to 180. So we can say that these two lines are parallel. So which two lines? Those two. So AB is parallel to EF. So we got here one of the condition. Okay, let us go for that another condition. What is that? Here I am going to consider these two lines. Here I am going to take that these two lines. One is CD, another one is AB. So these two lines I am not saying parallel, just these two are given lines and this is a transversal. So here we can observe that Z shape of Z. Okay, or in a reverse also they given, this is also looking like a Z shape only, no? So here these two angles are alternate interior angles. So by using the same condition here, these two are alternate interior angles. Okay, just observe these two angles means 50 plus 36 which is equals to 86. Here also 86 given. So those two angles are equal or not? So if that alternate interior angles are equal, then we can say that the given lines are parallel, right? So here CD is parallel to AB. CD is parallel to AB. So when you observe these two conditions, here CD is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to EF, no? From that conditions we can write that CD is parallel to AB. Just now only we proven that too. Okay. So CD is parallel to AB and according to this condition AB is parallel to EF. Okay. When you combine those two conditions together, so here by using this condition we can say that if AB is parallel to BC is parallel to CD, then we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Yes or no? Why? Because another condition, A is equals to B is equals to C. A value is equals to B, B value is equals to C. So by using this condition we can say that A is equals to C. So by applying the same condition here we can say that CD is parallel to EF. Okay. So we got here three conditions, no? Those three conditions are there in options or not? See here. So first thing we got that AB is parallel to EF. So this is true. Okay. Next CD is parallel to AB. We got that second condition also. Next, what is the third condition we got here? CD is parallel to EF. So we got that three conditions also, no? So three conditions also true from that given diagram. So what is the correct answer here? All of the above. So here answer is all of the above because three conditions also satisfying here. Okay.